Welcome to the Data Layer and Connected Workflows Blueprint for BidScope 360. This video outlines an implementation plan for authorized portal acquisition, continuous data structuring, and a unified operations dashboard, all designed for a client-owned environment with controlled AI. BidScope 360's objective is to be the first team to see relevant construction bidding information across all authorized sources. Our design response introduces a connected operating layer, where source evidence forms the foundation for durable IDs, business workflows, and controlled AI capabilities. Through our discovery sessions, we observe staff manually visiting multiple pages, downloading files, and using external AI tools. Our goal is to automate this process so that the morning dashboard is already current, regardless of activity on nights or weekends. Transparency and security are foundational to this project. All discovery materials and session recordings are strictly restricted to the authorized project team under NDA and are never used to train external AI models. Regarding data retention, if the implementation is approved, working materials are moved to your controlled environment. If not approved within 14 days, they are deleted. We prioritize your control and data privacy throughout this process. This is our target operating model. Every 3 hours, our service checks your sources to identify changes, structure records, and publish approved outputs. This ensures your dashboard reflects the latest opportunities, exceptions, and agent statuses. Our approach focuses on structure first. By building a reusable operating layer, every subsequent workflow can leverage the same core data, including projects, contacts, and permissions, without creating disconnected databases. We treat the database as the enduring product. This schema is designed as a durable business asset, ensuring that even if acquisition services or AI models change, your records, identifiers, and event history remain understandable and usable. The canonical model consists of 30 tables organized into 6 domains, ranging from identity to governance. Our activation plan prioritizes a solid foundation, allowing you to activate additional domain tables as your needs evolve. This model defines how records connect, ensuring clear relationships between sources, projects, and opportunities. Crucially, we use immutable IDs for all joins, treating names and portal-specific identifiers as searchable attributes rather than permanent keys. Reliable identity is the backbone of our system. By generating unique, stable IDs for every project, opportunity, and contact, we ensure that workflows remain connected, even as names, titles, or external sources change. The core table dictionary distinguishes between projects and opportunities. This separation is vital for maintaining data integrity, preventing a single project with multiple bid packages or deadlines from duplicating records in your system. For organizations and contacts, we implement a rigorous resolution sequence. By normalizing names and addresses, we ensure that every person and company is accurately identified, with uncertainty handled through dedicated review candidates. Our acquisition dictionary covers the full life cycle of data collection. From sources and runs to raw evidence, we ensure that even failed attempts are documented as data, providing clear signals for downstream actions. Finally, we maintain a strict file storage pattern. While folders hold your documents, the database holds the meaning, identity, and change history. This ensures that your files are always accessible, properly attributed, and fully integrated into your workflow. This slide outlines our workflow dictionary, detailing how we manage states, events, assignments, approvals, and exceptions. By mapping every transition from captured data to a release status, we create a transparent, auditable timeline for every record in your system. We treat AI models as replaceable workers, not as the source of truth. By decoupling the reasoning task from the final data record, we ensure that every AI output, whether a summary or a classification, is validated against defined data rules before being committed to your database. Provenance is essential. Every important value in our system carries its history, from its initial observation to its final validated or superseded state. This ensures that you can always answer questions about where data originated and who authorized its use. This diagram illustrates how governed events trigger future workflows. Instead of watching random cells, our automation subscribes to specific, completed states. This ensures that downstream actions are only initiated when the required fields and policies are fully satisfied. Once data is accepted into the layer, it unlocks significant future potential. From automated outreach and proposal creation to sophisticated management reporting, this structure allows your team to build new agent-based workflows without duplicating context or risking contradictory outcomes. Security is built into our architecture. We ensure that people and services receive only the authority they need. Sensitive credentials are never stored in ordinary tables, and all data access, including exports, respects your role-based permissions and retention policies. If BidScope 360 eventually integrates with another provider, this design ensures continuity. Your core database, structured records, and audit history remain your property, providing a stable foundation that persists regardless of the specific acquisition tools used. We clearly distinguish between permanent business records and temporary working data. This separation is vital for long-term continuity, ensuring that your core operational history remains pristine while allowing temporary processing data to be managed efficiently. Our design is based on the real-world workflows you showed us. To finalize the design, we need specific evidence, including screen shares of your source portals, a sample set of 20 representative records, and your current spreadsheet templates. We have diagnosed why adding an AI agent directly to your current process would likely fail. The complexity of navigating multiple portals, applying filters, and handling specific portal behaviors requires the structured intermediate layer we have proposed. This represents the boundary of our first production workflow. Once the scope is frozen and approved, any further changes to sources, fields, or dashboards will follow a structured change control process to ensure security and budget alignment. Regarding source strategy, we prioritize the least fragile, authorized connection. Even when session cookies are used, they are treated as credentials. They do not grant permission to bypass your internal policies, MFA, or rate limits. We offer flexibility in connection methods. Whether through direct APIs or browser automation, the goal remains the same: to ingest data reliably. All methods publish into the same unified record model, giving you a consistent view across all sources. Deployment is tailored to your infrastructure needs. You can choose to run the solution locally, on a client VPS, or within your own cloud environment. Our automated browser runs under dedicated client-owned accounts, ensuring full oversight. Finally, this is how we automate a source without an API. From managing an authorized session to verifying listings and recording evidence, every step is deliberate, tracked, and designed to feed cleanly into your operating database. This slide details the self-healing browser layer. It detects missing controls or failed steps and automatically recovers by refreshing or replaying actions before alerting a human. This ensures continuous operations without constant manual intervention. Governance is critical. Our self-healing approach is fully controlled and auditable, distinguishing between automatic recovery tasks, such as wait and replay cycles, and human-led fixes which serve as a final resort. This is our continuous operation cycle. Every 3 hours, the system schedules, checks, compares, extracts, validates, publishes, and triggers necessary workflows. Failed sources remain visible to prevent missed opportunities, while manual overrides are fully supported. A clear data model is essential for success. This slide defines the specific records our agents require to function correctly, serving as the blueprints for your structured operating database. Within your Airtable or database environment, we implement specific release gates. Downstream agents are programmed to only execute once identity, location, scope, and source evidence are fully validated and authorized by your policy. Team adoption is vital. Our policy protects raw source evidence from accidental changes by users, while still providing clear review actions. This allows your team to contribute knowledge back into the system without breaking downstream automation. The daily experience will shift significantly. Instead of manually moving information between portals, folders, and documents, your team will focus on high-value review and decision-making tasks, supervised by a unified, real-time dashboard. We define success not by the number of opportunities, but by the reliability of your discovery process. The goal is to process information consistently, reducing manual handling and ensuring that BidScope 360 sees relevant data faster. To handle repeated or updated listings, we avoid silent overwrites. Every event, including changes to dates or bidder lists, is recorded and applied based on your approved authority rules, preserving history for future reference. Document intelligence turns loose PDFs into verified fields. The process involves secure download, hashing, classification, OCR, field extraction, and citation. If exceptions occur, they are flagged for human review, keeping the data clean. This represents the agent chain. Once a record is trustworthy, it moves through specialized agents, from acquisition to document handling, validation, enrichment, and drafting, before final human approval. Looking ahead, this expansion roadmap outlines future agents. Once the foundation is proven and stable, your team can evaluate additional workflows, such as research, outreach, and quoting, knowing the data architecture is already ready to support them. Future workflow pilots will be built upon this established identity framework. By utilizing stable structured layer IDs, we maintain continuity from the initial project discovery through to final commercial execution. The value of this system compounds over time. With the shared layer, Disparate workflows are connected by stable IDs and managed data, eliminating the need to manually rebuild context for every new process. This sequence shows how a new workflow begins. Once a record is complete and release is approved, automated research and drafting agents can take over, allowing for a seamless transition from data gathering to final outreach.